Hey guys, this is the next day. We are back at 72nd Street, but we're not taking the 2, we're taking the 3, and we're gonna hopefully catch this D train. It's about like 20 minutes away, but first we have to get to Fulton Street, and we're gonna catch the morning Z, and we're gonna wait for a D train, which is about 3 minutes, and see you guys. There's a J train. That's not the J train we need. It's wrong train. 3117, 3116, 3115. We need to take the Z. 2 minutes. Do the split. Go towards the front. Next stop. Let's stop here. Second train. Okay guys, that's it for All Trades 2025. Sorry I couldn't record under B, but as you guys, my camera did start working. So I'll record the end of the one and the one back home for August 1st. See you then. Bye.